Coming here, seeing the campus, seeing what it's really like, it's assured me in my choice for applying to Imperial.
The combination of experiments, calculus, and simulations makes learning dynamic.
Learning Python programming to create simulations has been a highlight.
We've been analysing a lot of data and performing experiments. We've also had a lot of social activities, like we played basketball yesterday.
One thing that really surprised me was how diverse the students are. They come from all over the world. It's been lovely meeting new people and learning about their cultures and traditions.
The Imperial College Summer School has really helped me learn new things that can be helpful not only in my last year of high school, but also strengthen my college CV.